on our fourth set. After the fourth set, we go directly to the sixth set. After sixth set, we do the fifth set. If it's okay with you. Alright, it's okay? Okay, alright. We do the sixth set. Thank you. If you notice, the sixth set is almost like the fourth set. But here's the part. Sunulat ako kung mahalaman, marunong na ako magsulat. Iyaw mo pa eh. Problema ko lang hanggang ngayon, hindi ako marunong magbasa. By the way, this is the extended